Eric looked soft and watery, and so 14 days out, testosterone was brought down to 300 mg of test propionate to get rid of water retention, as high test holds water. Proviron was thrown out and Winstrol was added to get harder and grainier on stage. To maximize fullness, GH stayed in the whole time with a slightly higher dose on the morning of the show. But changing the gear wasn't enough to save him. His whole prep was keto style, low carbs, high fats and moderate protein. But the problem was, Eric was still soft, just 2 weeks left. So the entire plan was flipped upside down. Before I reveal that, hit follow to know the peak week protocol of top bodybuilders. Fats were crashed down to 10 grams. While protein went high, carbs were increased and placed before and after training to support gym performance. But the cardio was dramatically increased. Morning sessions went from 45 minutes all the way up to 90 minutes. Then another 30 minutes post-workout plus high daily steps on top of that. Anyone would mentally break down, but Eric kept going as he was determined to get peeled. And the craziest move happened 1 week out. On Saturday, a week before the show, an 800-gram carb load was suddenly introduced. Why? To see how his body would respond to carbs under pressure, so peak week could be planned. And as expected, his body soaked up the carbs like a sponge. Immediately after, he was depleted again. But as his physique started flattening out, another 300-gram refeed was added after 3 days. Then came the peak week. Most gurus cut out water and sodium to dry you out, but that only leaves you looking small, flat and depleted on stage. Eric did the exact opposite by keeping water and sodium high to retain fullness. 7 liters of water 2 days out, 3 liters the day before, 1 liter the day of the show. Carb loading was moderate, not very high because the refeed data already proved a massive load wasn't needed. Regarding diuretics, a quarter of Dizite the night before, another quarter on the morning of the show. Potassium was slightly increased towards the end for a dry, harder look. Calcium was added to flush excess potassium. Magnesium bisglycinate before bed and magnesium taurate in the morning. Final day before the show, during the carb loading, he took 7 IUs of insulin to support 7 meals and maximize fullness. And the results showed that the strategy was successful. Eric came in absolutely shredded with zero cramping and full energy while posing with deep muscle contractions. Save this and share it with a friend who struggles to get shredded on stage.